Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We just got on the trails again. Well, we just got on the trails and look at this beautiful sight. Like, it's so beautiful. And like, I'm probably not gonna do this video for so long. But yeah, we're having a good ride so far. No hands. Alright, we're putting my hands back on because there's people. Come on, let's go this way. There we go. Come on. Keep on going. No saying hi to people. No strangers. Alright, let's go into my jogging position. So you don't have to work hard going up that hill. I mean, you still have to work, but like not as hard. Oh, was not expecting that. Good girl. Good girl, Zephyr. Yes, you deserve treats after that. Good girl. As you could hear, there was just a little bit of a dog noise that I did not expect to hear. I looked at the person, but I didn't see the dog there. So, yeah. Look at the beautiful sight. Like, I love this site. Like, it's my favorite. It's probably my favorite trail on here. So, probably my favorite part of the trail. Good job. If you guys want to know why I named my thing Ride with Cherry, then I am going to explain that now. So the reason why I put it as Ride with Cherry is because I love cherries. Like, they are my favorite type of fruit. And like, they are so sweet. Like, they taste so good. They're such a good fruit. And I'm thinking about switching it. So if you guys have like I'm like wondering if I should put like a new name of it, and then if you guys comment a name that I like, I will spin it. Well, actually, I'll spin it on the wheel. Any name that you give me, I'll spin it on the wheel. No inappropriate names. And yeah, that's it. No inappropriate names, and no names that start with. Actually, never mind. It can start with any letter. Good, Daffron. I know, you want to drop down it, but you can't. Come on, this way. There's a big log. Oh, we're going over the bridge soon. Hold on, I need to gather my reins real quick. I've given her a long rein for a while, and she's gonna trip if I don't give her a shorter rein. Good girl. And walk. And walk. And walk. Good. Good girl. Look how beautiful her mane is. Ugh. I hate when my crop gets in the way. I didn't have to use any crop. I just needed to cluck a little. And then cluck a little. I don't even think I use clucks. I don't know. I'll have to watch the video again. But, like, I don't think I use clucks. But I think I did, though. But she gave me a nice collected trot. That was a good trot. Good girl. Oh, we're so close to the bridge. But, like, look. This is why my favorite trail is this trail, and you will only know once we get to the bridge. And hoot. Hoot. Good girl. Sorry, my friend's horse had to poop. Oh! Good girl, Saffron. Oh, you see those people. This is why we put bug spray on. I can see a million of bugs. And here it is. We're on the bridge. It's so pretty. I love the bridge. It's my favorite trail on this little adventure that we have. Look at that. Look at the tree. Like, look at that. Good, Saffron. Thank you. And you didn't need any steering. Oh, I didn't even show you that. That's also why it's a few of my favorite trail. Ooh, also, I also like, I actually think I like the hill where we go up. Come on, stop it. Stop it. I know, there's flies bothering you. I think I like the hill where I trot up a lot. Because, like, I will show you that hill sometime on another ride. Maybe, yeah, I'll show you it on another time. But, yeah, that's one of my other favorites. And, yeah, that's my other favorite. Good girl. Oh, I forgot to do your mane. Good girl. Come on, just go this way. That's all. Right, good girl. Good girl. No grass. Oh, we're going this way. All right. Yeah, I did, but I guess we can go this way. That's all right. I thought we were gonna go up that. Ooh, was not expecting that. It's all right. Good girl. Lots of dogs, and they're sneaking up on us today. I wasn't expecting to hear, like, I know that people are sometimes scared of their dogs getting stepped on, but that's only your fault if you run out in front of the horse. That's how you get your dog stepped on. Or if you have, like, if you have them off leash and your dog is interested, because this is not an off leash area, I don't think. But they were on leash. Trust me. They were fine. But I don't get like going in the rocks, Poppy. I don't get it. I don't think I get a lot of things in this world. Ooh. Step over. There's a root there that she probably didn't see, or probably couldn't see, and I saw it because I'm looking down a little. Not too down. I know. Good girl. This way. Good girl. Good girl, I know. You're a little scared of that little log. Oh, we have a tree. Should we jump over that tree? Look at that tree. I don't know. I think we should. Nah, because it's muddy over there. Good girl. Good girl. After that tree, it would have been muddy. Ooh. See, I led her into it. Actually, it's not that muddy. It's fine. It's actually fine. I could have done it. But let's go over here. I almost called you Mystic. Saffron. Good girl. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you for watching. And I hope you guys have a great day or night. And I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.